Hi everyone, today I'm in Mindful Space and I will be interviewing the founder of Mindful Space. Her name is Vernassa. Hi Vernassa,
Hi.
can you please tell us what is so unique about you?
We are the first parent and child physical platform in Singapore that actually curates programs for families from different trainers. We always advocate to parents that taking care of yourself is also part of taking care of your children. So self-care is childcare. So we have parenting workshops for parents from the minute they are expecting all the way to they're 18 years old. And that's where we have our weekly parent and child classes. It's where the parents can bond together with their children, spending quality time together.
More about your story. How do you come up with our Mindful Space?
There was two missing links that I feel that is in the parenthood journey. These missing links are the one that inspired me to help parents. So the first missing link is life skills in children. The second link that inspired me was the reinforcement that we need as a family so that it makes it stronger.
So how can the viewer benefit from this Mindful Space program?
For parents to be or new parents, we have monthly and complimentary mother circle and breastfeeding group every month. And for everyone else, we do offer yoga packages, and that's where we make self-care our priority.
So what's your advice today for our audience?
When our cups are full, when we recharge ourselves, then we can run a longer mile.